Before buying a windshield snow cover, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1. EcoNour Windshield Cover. Let's kick things off with the EcoNour windshield cover. Priced at $19.99. This one caught my eye because of its universal fit and heavy-duty design. If you want a reliable protector against winter weather, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The EcoNour cover measures 69 inches by 42 inches, fitting most cars, SUVs, and trucks. This means you can easily protect your entire windshield from snow, ice, and even UV rays in summer. It's made from heavy-duty 600D Oxford fabric, which means it's tough and weatherproof. Plus, it has anti-theft features, with straps that keep it secure in windy conditions. With over 10,400 reviews, averaging 4.6 stars, a lot of people are finding it effective. Now, some people complained about how tricky it can be to install initially, especially if you're in a hurry. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it becomes super easy and the protection it provides is absolutely worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly cover that does its job well. Skip this one if you're looking for a cover specifically designed for larger trucks like the F350. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if the installation issue with EcoNour bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Sedan Truck Windshield Cover. Next up is the Sedan Truck Windshield Cover, priced at $29.99 and designed specifically for larger vehicles like pickup trucks. This one really impressed me with its durability and fit. If you have a truck, this is definitely worth considering. What sets this cover apart is its size, 76 inches by 50 inches, making it perfect for pickups like the Ford F-150 and Silverado. Made from 600D heavy-duty fabric with a PU coating, it's waterproof and breathable. This means it can withstand snow and ice without tearing, which is a big deal for anyone who has battled tough winter conditions. It also comes with mirror covers to keep everything clean and safe. With 1,100 reviews at 4.6 stars, it's clear that many drivers are satisfied. Now, some users mentioned that the buckles can be hard to secure on windy days. Here's the thing though, while it might take a bit of effort, once it's on, it stays put and protects your vehicle like a champ. This is perfect for you if you drive a pickup truck and need a strong, reliable cover. Skip this if you have a smaller vehicle, as it may be too large. For the features, it's a great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for universal fit. Product number 3, Loya Forbo Windshield Snow Cover. Now let's talk about the Loya Forbo Windshield Snow Cover, priced at just $17.99. I found this one particularly interesting because it balances affordability with quality. If you want something that won't break the bank but still works well, this is worth a look. This cover measures 83 inches by 51 inches, making it universal for most cars and trucks, although bigger models like the F-150 may not fit perfectly. It's made from heavy-duty 600D Oxford fabric, which is waterproof and scratch-resistant. This means you can confidently cover your windshield without worrying about damage. I was also surprised to see it has an anti-theft design with elastic straps that keep it secure. With around 4,900 reviews and a 4.3 star rating, many users seem to appreciate its practicality. However, some users found it fit a bit loose on smaller cars. Here's the thing. If you have a standard size car, this shouldn't be an issue, and the protection it offers is really good for the price. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget and need something effective. Skip this if you have a very small car, as it may not fit snugly. Given its features, it's a great deal. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more heavy-duty, the next option has you covered. Product number 4, Sedan Car Windshield Cover. Next up is another great option from Sedan, this time designed for standard cars and SUVs, priced at $26.99. I really appreciated how this cover fits a wide range of vehicles. If you want reliable protection without overspending, this is definitely worth considering. This cover measures 70 inches by 50 inches, making it a suitable fit for popular models like the Toyota Camry and Honda CR-V. It's made from the same 600D heavy-duty fabric as their truck version, ensuring it's both waterproof and durable. You can use it against snow, frost, and even sunlight. It's also designed with quick-release buckles that help keep it secured against strong winds. The 1,100 reviews at 4.6 stars show that many drivers have found this one effective. But some users mention that it can take a little time to figure out the best way to secure it. Here's the thing. Once you find your groove, it performs exceptionally well and keeps your windshield clear, which is what you really want. This is perfect for you if you have a standard car and want something that's easy to use. Skip this if you need something specifically for larger vehicles. For the quality and protection, it's a solid investment. And if you want something from a trusted brand, the final product might be just what you need. Product number 5, Cat Windshield Snow Cover. Last but not least, we have the Cat Windshield Snow Cover, priced at $27.90. This one caught my eye because of its reputation for quality. If you're looking for something from a trusted brand, this is definitely worth your attention. Measuring 78 inches by 45 inches, this cover fits a variety of vehicles including cars, vans, and trucks. It's designed to keep your windshield clear of snow and ice, which saves you time on those cold mornings. Its premium fabric is weatherproof, and it features anti-theft designs to keep it secure. With 3,800 reviews averaging 4.4 stars, it's clear that many users have found it reliable. However, some users found that it might be a bit bulkier to store compared to others. Here's the thing though, if you want a cover that's highly effective at keeping your windshield snow-free, this is a very minor drawback. This is perfect for you if you want a solid, well-made option. Skip this if you have a very compact vehicle, as it may be too large. For what you get, it's reasonably priced. So, to wrap it all up, whether you need a budget-friendly option like the EcoNour, a heavy-duty cover like the Sedan truck, or a well-known brand like Cat, there's a cover here for everyone's needs. To summarize, we've looked at the EcoNour for budget-conscious buyers, the Sedan truck for larger vehicles, the Loya Forba for those wanting affordability, the Sedan car for standard fits, and the Cat 4-brand trust. Each of these options has its strengths, so consider what fits your needs best this winter.